So what's up guys, welcome back to mom's channel. I hope you're doing awesome. So today I'm back with some BTS and BT21 back to school supplies. So before starting this awesome DIYs, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up and you subscribe to this channel and share this video to armies. In the first DIY, I'm gonna make some pins, or even you can call it brooches, for your backpacks or your pen bags or a purse. Even you can wear it on your dresses. So for that, all you need is some printouts that you have already seen how I took it. Just search in Google for some BTS or K-pop Tumblr stickers and print it out, or otherwise you can just hand draw like I did, and you cut it in this manner. And then next you need is a piece of cardboard paper. Paste all those cutouts in it and then again cut it out. And it's done. Now what you need to do is sellotape it from both the sides so that it will be waterproof. So here we're done from covering it with sellotape, and next cut it out and take some safety pins. I hope all of you know what is a safety pin. And then with the help of a hot glue gun or a super glue, you can just paste those safety pins in those cutouts. If you have a hot glue gun, then you can use that. So this is how our cute little brooches looks like. I pinned it up in my purse and it looks just so cool, and this is a must DIY for you. So in this DIY we're gonna make a cute little BT21 pen topper. For that you need to cut out a BT21 character I did to me because it was real cute. And next you need a cardboard paper and roll it up into a cylindrical shape to give it a shape of a pen cap. Next you need to cut out a stripe of cardboard and paste the picture on it. So here we are done with the pasting, and next we need to cut it out, and then all you need to do is paste this from one side on the cap that we need, and then all is done. Open the book. So for making this memo box or memo storage box, all you need is some printouts of BTS stickers, some sellotape, glue, scissor, and a A4 sheet. So next you need to do is cut out your favorite member or your bias's picture and cover it with different both sides. Next again cut it out and paste it on the jewelry box. So here I'm using a transparent jewelry box of a round shape. If you have any other shapes, any other colors, you can just use them and make it of your own. So here it is done, and next I'm going to paste it on the cap of the jewelry box. Next you'll find a round paper that is lying beneath the jewelry box. You just use it as a stencil and cut out circles from it. Cut out as much as you want, and then you need to draw the logo of BTS in each and every paper on a corner in a small manner. Then it will show that we are a proved army. Yeah, and then all is just done. So for this DIY you need a notebook covered with a purple paper. Next cut out some BTS stickers that we already printed or drawn earlier, and next we just arrange it. No, oh yeah, in this manner I'm gonna paste it, and then all you're done, paste it. So for making this DIY, all you need is an empty Tic Tac bottle, a BTS logos printout, or you can even use a sticker, and some acrylic paints, glue, and a sharpener, of course. So I'm going to glue the sharpener on the opening side of the Tic Tac's bottle's cap, and it's done. So next we are gonna color the bottle with some black acrylic color. So let it dry, and next we're gonna cut the sticker out and paste it. Secure it by either sellotaping it or by applying a glue from the top, and then insert the cap, and you're ready. Now your desk is not gonna get dirty again. All the dust of your pencils are going to stay here. When it's full, just open and throw those. So next we're gonna make a bookmark. So for that I'm using a red piece of paper, a black marker, and a silver glitter. So I'm going to write "You Are the Cause of My Euphoria" from the song Euphoria by Jungkook, and I just love that song like hell. So then you can just write it down of any font or any calligraphy that you like. So armies, this was today's video all about BTS and BT21. I hope you have loved those DIYs. Comment below which was your favorite DIY among all. And if you want to see more such videos in future, then don't forget to subscribe to Nasima'S World and click on the bell icon. So see you soon again in my very next video. So for then, take care and bye bye. Keep watching BTS, keep loving them and keep supporting them.